So I haven't been posting as often as I used to be. Sorry for that. I've been sick for a while, 5 months, actually 7. It's really annoying. So I can't really upload as much. But I decided maybe let's do some unboxing because that gets very popular. And so here we are doing an unboxing of a Nerf vest. As you can see right here. Oh, no, as you can see right here, this doesn't look like a Nerf vest yet, but trust me, it's gonna look like a Nerf vest soon enough. So here we have it. So, this is some Nerf darts, more Nerf darts, a magazine, another magazine, whatever in the world this is. Oh, this is a skull mask, nice, neato. Multifunction seamless wear. Neckerchief. Whoa, I just got so dark. Headband. Why does that keep on happening? Flying chicken. Wristband. Foulard. Alice band. Balaclava. Am I reading that right? Scarf, hairband, Shahari. Alright, so that's our mask. Not going to be opened without scissors. Yeah. Not going to be opened without scissors. Alright, so it's not going to be opened without scissors for sure. This could be opened without scissors. I'm not going to open it because it's all going to spill out. And what in the world is this? Is this some sort of pouch? Oh, it holds more Nerf darts. Because we definitely don't have enough of those. So what could this be used as? A wristband that holds Nerf darts, obviously. Why does it keep on doing that? The focus is terrible on this filter. Alright, so this thing... yeah, it could be used as a nice wristband. And we have these magazines. We should fill those up. And I'll go get the scissors for the mask as well. I think we could use that mask out in the public. Like, oh, I'm Skull Trooper from Fortnite. Hey. Focus is so terrible on this thing. This is hard to fill up. I'll cut to when it's done. I don't think I'll be using this as a wristband. It's hard to put Nerf darts in it. Because you'd probably be using both hands. But if it's already on one of your hands, well, too bad. Got the magazine full, and I got some of the leftovers on this. Yeah, okay. Facing the correct way. Seems good. It got a face protector. Safety first. Alright, I took the real vest out. First of all, it smells terrible. Second of all, look at this. Alright, so I got the scissors. This. Alright, I have to cut this. And then we have this skull mask. I look so nerdy with this on. Because I am. What's happening with the lighting? Alright, anyways, just don't think of that. Don't leave a dislike because of something I don't know how to control. Alright, so this is way much bigger than I thought it would be. Excuse me, how am I meant to do this? Wait, this isn't meant to be a mask, is it? Alright, well, show me how to make it a mask? Or what? Can't believe I'm trying this. Oh, it smells. So I just have to wear this like a shirt, I guess. Ow. Ow. Oh, this is so weird. This isn't how you're meant to wear it. Let's hope there's an opening up here, which there is. Oh, my eyes. It's way too big. How does that look? Ah. This doesn't feel right. This. No, again. I look way too happy. I am a skeleton. I'll cut to when this gets solved. I don't know. I got it. I did it. I did it. Alright, and then the goggles. Finally. These goggles aren't gonna work with this mask on. Alright, what's next? Alright. More Nerf darts. Alright. That magazine is full. It looked like a Fortnite character. Remember her name Drift? And Skull Mask? That's kinda like Gage, Drift, Skull Trooper. That's what this is basically. Alright, so then we fill this up more. Then I have Nerf box under my bed. That should have the rest of the bullet choice. And these magazines, I don't know what I'm going to use them for because my only gun that used magazines, the motor died out. I had a dimple of my favorite Avengers character. Now it's battery ran out somehow. I barely even used it, so I don't know how its battery could have ran out, but it did, and that's very annoying. Alright. I don't even know which way this vest goes. Which part of the vest does my head go through? Oh wait, this is a vest. Ugh. I have a FNAF shirt. You aren't gonna see the FNAF shirt often because of my green screen. This looks like it's meant to be for heads. So I'm gonna... Oh no, now my vest is backwards. Hey, this is actually pretty cool. Alright, I think I could still use this as a wristband now that it's loaded. I like Velcro. Oh, this is sweaty. Worst time of the year to be unboxing this. It's summer. Didn't think that through. But hey, now I have this. I got it like 2 years ago and forgot about it and then never unboxed it. So now I've unboxed it. And it's pretty epic. Bye.